Hello everyone, this is our research project for the Infor Supply Chain Execution software package. First, you'll be hearing Matt, who will describe to you what the software is all about. Then, Mohammed will take you over some of the features of the software. Then Bethany will describe to you some of the benefits of the software. And then I will conclude this presentation with our findings for our research.
The product name that we studied is Infor ERP Suite. The particular module that we examined was the Supply Chain Execution module. The vendor for this module was Infor Global Solutions. Infor Global Solutions is the third largest provider of ERP software solutions. Infor Supply Chain Execution software is available through two distribution models, both direct from Infor Global Solutions and through their value-added reseller partner network. This software is not particularly well marketed by Infor, and it is often sold not alone but rather in conjunction with other better marketed Infor softwares. One of the value-added resellers that is used is Salesforce.com, has a single channel of entry for sales. Direct distribution is generally available for large-scale purchases and highly customized solutions. The value-added resellers play a role for about 80% of all sales. Infor Global Solutions is a very acquisitive company. This particular software package of supply chain execution was developed as a result of acquisitions over several years, beginning with Neptune, then to EXE, then to SSA, then Infor. Infor Supply Chain Execution is sold to serve Tier 1 and Tier 2 businesses. The average sale price for the software is $500,000. 90% of the customers' average revenue is $50 million to $2 billion. The major competitors for Infor Global Solutions are Oracle, SAP, Microsoft, NetSuite, Red Prairie, Manhattan, HighJump, and Excelos.
Now let's take a look at some of the latest features of Infor Supply Chain Execution module. This module has common user interface. It also provides workspace, features such as reporting, workflow, event management, master data management, localization, mobility, and package integration. In terms of score, supply chain operations reference metrics. The performance of the supply chain is considered perfect if the original commitment made to the customer is met through supply chain. All these streamlined features of this module works to meet the criteria that is recommended in score metrics. For example, perfect order fulfillment can only be achieved if the order is accurately received on time as defined by the customer. Documentation supporting the order including packing slips, bills, invoices, quality certifications are complete and accurate before delivery is made to the correct location and customer. All can be achieved through combination of aspects of logistics which are unified into a single solution in the supply chain execution module. It basically automates and streamlines every aspect of logistics and improves order processing, routing, and optimization. It delivers a comprehensive view of operations. It accelerates transportation network performance and let the user make better calculated decision. This module also highlights some of the advanced functions such as RF and voice support and system-directed serial number tracking. Now let's talk about some of the promotional material. Marketing materials provided by the Infor sales team were the same as the one on the website. The significant difference between the marketing material and the demo of the product was that the marketing material touched upon supply chain execution being made simpler, easier, and automated by focusing on usability, process modeling, mobility, and easy workflow management. Whereas the demo dives deep into each segment of the module with certain limitations. Let's take a quick look at the promotional video.
Faced with complex decisions, you need coherent, reliable information from a single source. Infor 10 Supply Chain Execution allows you to get one answer, the right one, by providing one place to go for accurate and up-to-date information. At the heart of the solution is Infor 10 Workspace, an intuitive role-based portal that enables users at every level of your operation to seamlessly connect with all relevant applications, whether deployed on-premise or in the cloud. To maintain the highest levels of operational efficiency, Infor 10 Ion works behind the scenes to provide immediate connectivity to your Infor ERP or distribution solution and enables the user to manage workflows, tasks, and alerts that are pushed to the user's workspace homepage. The streamlined navigation enables your warehouse manager to begin the day by checking news, chat with associates via instant messaging, and review his tasks or alerts that are personalized on his homepage. He can then easily transition into his personalized dashboard for an overview of all alerts, outstanding tasks, and KPIs across the company. From here, he quickly accesses Infor 10 Supply Chain Execution, where he's presented with a configurable display of the daily workload, along with the ability to drill down and view the details of any shipment. As the workday moves into full swing, the inbound warehouse manager receives an alert of a late shipment for a high-priority customer, which must be addressed promptly, or it could result in a service-level failure. To better understand the situation, the manager reviews the ASN and discovers the shipment is due to arrive the following day. To accommodate the change, he seamlessly accesses the solution's labor planning module and reassigns qualified personnel to receiving to ensure the shipment will be processed on time.
In order for an end-to-end supply chain visibility, it becomes imperative that the entire supply chain network works as a unified system, because an efficient execution system can help users make better decisions and users can execute those decisions faster. To achieve peak performance, all systems must be integrated, and this module offers exactly the same, with all the features fully integrated and can be accessed through single sign-on. The built-in task-directed management feature in this module assists the users in tracking, measuring, and reporting all labor-related activities. This module is fully configurable with robust transportation management capabilities such as tendering, selection, and optimization choices. Users can manually assign shipment to a specific carrier or automate the entire tendering process through electronic notification methods such as EDI or simply an email. This module also has fully integrated 3PL, third-party logistic billing feature, to aid the users to basically simplify management of billing and invoicing requirements.
When doing our field research on Infor supply chain execution software, we found 2 companies who are currently using the product who have published their product findings on the internet. The first user of Infor supply chain execution software I will discuss is Pan Emirates. Pan Emirates is a home furnishings company. They currently have 10 sites spread throughout the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, and Oman. Pan Emirates chose Infor supply chain execution software in order to achieve company goals. Pan Emirates was striving to improve order management, procurement, inventory management, and customer relationship management. Pan Emirates did indeed reap benefits after implementing the software within their company's culture. They experienced enhanced inventory management. They also found that they were able to optimize deliveries from Pan Emirates' central warehouse in Dubai Techno Park to their customers. They were able to reduce slow-moving inventory out of their warehouses, and they reduced unnecessary paperwork. Finally, they were able to reduce the time cycle for monthly and annual accounts, essentially bringing in more money from clients faster. The second company we found during our field research on Infor's supply chain execution software is Lava Supply Chain Solutions. Lava Supply Chain Solutions is a logistics and software management company. They are located in North Sioux City, South Dakota. The reason why they chose Infor's supply chain execution software was because they wanted to streamline their warehouse management function. Like Pan Emirates, Lava Supply Chain Solutions also found benefits from implementing Infor's supply chain execution software. First, they achieve the ability to easily meet the demands of their customers. The use of the software helped to improve communication and collaboration not only within the company, but also it opened up collaboration and communication with suppliers outside of the company. Lava Supply Chain was able to improve demand visibility, and they were able to improve sales forecasting. The function of Infor's supply chain execution software that we found was least used by our study companies was the labor management feature. The table displayed here shows the benefits from Pan Emirates and Lava Supply Chain Solutions reaped after implementing Infor's supply chain execution software. On the right-hand side of the table are corresponding score metrics that coincide with the benefits. The first benefit is enhanced inventory management, which coincides with the score metrics perfect order fulfillment and order fulfillment. The optimization of deliveries that Pan Emirates experience coincides with the perfect order fulfillment score metric and with the order fulfillment cycle time. The reduction of time for monthly and annual counts that Pan Emirates experienced coincides with the supply chain management costs score metric, the cost of goods sold score metric, the cash-to-cash cycle time score metric, and the return on fixed assets score metric. The ability to easily meet customer demands that the Lava Supply Chain Solutions experienced coincides with the upside supply chain score metric. The improved communication and collaboration within the company and with the suppliers benefit and improved demand visibility benefit that Lava also experienced coincide with the upside supply chain flexibility score metric, the upside supply chain adaptability score metric, and the downside supply chain adaptability score metric. I did not find a direct correlation to the score metrics for the reduction of paperwork benefit or the improved sales forecasting benefit. After completing our field research, we found some suggestions for future enhancements on Infor's supply chain execution software. First, we believe there should be less of a focus on the labor management function of the software. Neither Pan Emirates or Lava Supply Chain Solution discuss any use of the labor management function or features. Second, we believe that there should be more focus on improved communications with suppliers and customers. Thirdly, we believe there should be more of a focus on improved demand visibility and the ability to meet demand. The approach that Infor should use to enhance these features is to implement usability metrics in order to determine the sunsetting of underused features and to determine the need to focus on more used features.
As mentioned earlier in this presentation, Infor's customer base is typically made of big businesses, and their software cost is about $500,000. And we feel that the potential market for Infor could be to focus on the smaller businesses in the similar industries by de-scoping highly underutilized features and sell it as separate modules. This would decrease the cost for Infor software for smaller businesses as well. As for consumer feedback, we felt as a group that a built-in application within the system could be a helpful tool, and it would be easier for the user to access this application. We also felt that being involved in the business communities and trade shows could be very beneficial as far as getting consumer feedback. When researching the Infor product, the sources we used were the company's website, which gave us detailed information on what the product is all about. The company's website also contains several demo videos on various different industries and how the Infor product can help with the performance of those particular industries. We also had a company insider whom we contacted for additional information. The lessons we learned from doing this research was that Infor is a global company, and it serves different industries, from healthcare to hospitality. Potential competition for Infor is SAP. The suggestions: solutions tailored for smaller businesses, better design and layout of the software, and integrating the warehouse management system with accounting and finance. This concludes our presentation. For additional questions, please visit the company's website at www.infor.com. That's www.infor.com. Thank you.